Hello, Alexia. I hope you're enjoying the holidays. I'm just taking a look at your assignment and the information you've got here. So you've done helium, oxygen, and carbon, all gases, so that's quite good. Could have been good if you did one of the metals instead of all gases, but that's okay. So your information, you've got some information here. It looks to be a little bit of a cut and paste. You could have had information about mining and how it's useful for us or how we get carbon. You also needed a bore diagram, which you could have placed here, but the elemental information is correct. Oxygen needs capital O, same for carbon needs capital C. You needed a Bohr diagram or a diagram of a molecule of oxygen would have been good, but you have a decent amount of information here, background information, which is great. Helium, no pictures for helium, so that's a bit sad. Needed a Bohr diagram or a picture of a molecule of helium or a picture even of a helium balloon, a balloon being filled with the gas helium. So you've got some background information, very good. Need a capital H here. Bibliography seems comprehensive, which is surprising considering you needed a few more more information in your assignment. But is comprehensive, so that's really good. So I am going to give you and you did have time restrictions and you had it in on time, which is really good. So I'm going to give you a high for this. All right. So enjoy the rest of your holidays and I'll see you next term. Bye.